In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize calendar Notion. To get started, open your Notion page where you want the calendar to appear. This can be an existing workspace page or a new page you've created for planning, scheduling, or organizing tasks. Once you're on the page, click anywhere inside the content area so Notion knows where you want to add the new block. Next, type a / on your keyboard. In Notion, the / command is the quickest way to insert different types of content, and it opens a menu of block options. After that, type in calendar view so Notion can narrow down the results for you. When you see calendar view appear in the menu, click on it to insert the calendar into the page. Once the calendar has been added, click into the page area just below your newly inserted calendar. This is important because you're about to create a layout that lets you control the calendar's width more easily. Type another /, then type column. From the options that appear, choose 2 columns. This will create a 2-column layout on the page, which is what allows the calendar to be resized horizontally. Now move your cursor over the calendar title area until you see the 6-dot handle appear beside it. In Notion, those 6 dots are used to move blocks around the page. Click and hold that handle, then drag the calendar into one of the columns you just created. Take your time here and make sure the calendar drops into the column correctly. If it doesn't land where you want it on the first try, just drag it again until it snaps into place. After the calendar is inside a column, you'll be able to adjust its width. Look for the resize bars that appear between the columns. Click and drag those bars left or right to resize the calendar horizontally from either side. This lets you make the calendar narrower or wider depending on how much space you want it to take up on the page. A useful tip here is to resize gradually so you can see how the calendar layout changes as you adjust it. If the calendar looks too compressed, simply drag the divider back to give it more room. And that's it. By placing the calendar inside columns and adjusting the resize bars, you can control its size much more effectively in Notion.